Are you someone who is preparing for an interview in this virtual environment and looking for some tips to crack the virtual interview? If yes, then this video is for you because it includes all the tips you need to create an impact virtually in the very next interview you appear for. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Rise and Shine, where you get all answers to transform your life for the better. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button below and press the bell icon to get the recent updates from our channel. Now, before I share the tips that will really help you crack the next virtual interview process, I want you to understand that you need to ensure that you do not have to look distracted or look like you're reading answers from a script written in front of you. The interviewer should not feel that you're checking the answers to his questions online or in your notes in the computer. Now, let's start with the tips to be well prepared for the virtual interview. So, the first tip is get acquainted to the technology platform and equipment to be used beforehand. Many candidates tend to overlook the technology aspect of the interview. The biggest mistake you can make in a virtual interview is to wait till the day of the interview to test the equipment or attempt to learn the virtual platform to be used. Realizing that you need to download a program or that your camera is giving a grainy image or your microphone is giving an echo minutes before the interview call actually breaks the first impression you were to make on the interviewer virtually. So we suggest that as soon as the interview is confirmed, take the time to double check the interview platform, your internet connection, and anything else that could possibly create problems. Make sure that your microphone and headphone are working well, your video is working well, and if there is a lag with your internet connection, try rebooting your router or reaching out to the provider for assistance. Also, on the day of the interview, test your equipment and internet connection again and make sure that the virtual identity that you have logged in with is professional in all respects. Also, do a speed test specifically for the upload speed, as in the virtual interview, poor internet would mean poor communication. And if you don't trust your Wi-Fi, you may want to connect by plugging in your LAN cable, or you may want to ask others at home to log out while you're on the interview. Please understand that maintaining a proper internet speed is very critical during a virtual interview, as an internet lag can break the flow of the conversation. The next tip is be camera ready. By this, I literally mean that you need to get ready for the camera just as you would if you were going for an in-person interview. We need to project our professionalism even beyond our username and email IDs. So even if it is a virtual interview, wear your best business attire and if possible, try to wear the jewel tone colors, which include sapphire blue, ruby red, amethyst purple, citrine yellow, and emerald green. These colors actually have the perfect saturation required for any skin type, and they also prevent washing you out under harsh lighting. Also, please avoid any overpowering patterns or flashy accessories so as not to divert the employer's attention from your expertise. The next one is set up your space to have a clean and clear background and minimize distractions. When you test your technology, also determine where you would like to take the interview from. Try to find a room with optimal lighting, preferably near a window or a blank wall to ensure that you are the focal point of the conversation. Whether you sit on your living room couch or in your home office, please tidy up your surroundings. It will be very difficult for the employer to convince himself that you are organized and detail oriented if there is laundry visibly piling up in the corner behind you. And if you're not comfortable sharing your background or if your immediate surrounding is too cluttered and messy, then and only then should you consider putting a virtual background. It is actually suggested to avoid using virtual backgrounds as most of them create a strange halo around your body that distorts your gestures. But if you are using it, try to be creative and use some pic related to you, which can be from any trip that you went for, or from your college campus, or anything else that is related to you. Also, on the day of the interview, once you have settled in the place you want to take the call from, make sure that you remove all the distractions, like switching off the television, putting the mobile phone on silent mode, and closing the window or the door to avoid any background noise. Lastly, check your lighting. Sitting near a window seems like a great idea, as the best way not to appear washed out is to keep the light in front of you. Moving to the next point, which says rehearse and go prepared. Just because you're on a computer while giving the interview doesn't mean you can search the web for answers mid-interview. Please avoid clicking around while on the interview, as it doesn't leave a good impression on the interviewer, who expects your undivided attention just as he would if you were giving an in-person interview. Try to appear focused and ready to answer any questions without the help of the internet. In case you want to have some notes from your research, you can jot them down on some sticky notes and paste them on your computer screen. Also, keep a printout of your resume handy with you so that you don't forget to mention any important points from your career history. It's always best to come prepared with answers to common interview questions to an interview. You can refer to our other video, which gives you the sample answers to the top most commonly asked questions. I have left the link to the video in the description box below for easy reference. So the next one is monitor your body language. See, in a virtual interview, it is not possible to shake hands firmly and show your confidence to the interviewer. But you can at least try to use gestures and your body posture to show that you are very excited to be giving this interview, even if it is virtual. Show that you are very interested by maintaining a healthy eye contact with the interviewer throughout the interview. Now, one common mistake we usually make in the video calls is that we keep looking at the image of the interviewer in front of us. Instead, we should be looking straight into the camera if you want to have an eye contact with the interviewer. Another way to communicate your confidence is to sit up straight and greet him with a smile on your face. And I would also suggest that try to exaggerate your emotions a bit on the screen. You actually need to practice being emotive during the virtual interview, as in the virtual environment, there are times when the audio gets compressed and we lose many of the undertones that convey our emotions. Thus, we need a bit of this exaggeration, but please don't overdo it. You can practice with a friend on video and get some feedback about your tone and body language. Or you may want to record yourself answering a few questions and then monitor where you need to focus to improve further. The last point is convey warmth during the interview. The COVID crisis has actually made people more eager to connect with their colleagues on an emotional level, and your interviewer may have a higher expectation about how much warmth you convey during the interview. It may be a good idea to check how the interviewer and his family are doing in this current situation. Always wear a positive smile and don't be scared to laugh a bit and engage with the interviewer. Also, please make sure that you don't talk over the interviewer. Let them finish their sentence or the question they're saying. In the virtual setup, there might be a lag in technology where you both spoke at the same time. In that case, just apologize and let them speak first. In case you did not understand the question the interviewer asked, let them finish first and then you should go ahead and ask any clarifying questions you have. Remember to be respectful and kind, as to ace a virtual interview, you need to make a positive impression. See, to really stand out during the virtual interview process, you need to have a strong virtual presence, display lots of confidence, keep the interviewer engaged in a constructive way, and communicate clearly and, of course, naturally. So keep watching our videos and keep benefiting from the tips we share with you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel Rise and Shine. You can also leave your questions, comments, or any topics you would like to hear from us in the comment section below, and we will be happy to address them in our upcoming videos. Till then, stay good, stay safe.